A scuffle broke out between police and Bharatiya Janata Party leaders, including Rupa Ganguly, during a protest in Kolkata against Trinamool Congress-led government over the introduction of a bill permitting women to work in bars. Union Minister Sukanta Majumdar and BJP MLA Agnimitra Paul also joined BJP workers as they protested against the Trinamool Congress government. Sreshi is there still with me. Sreshi, do tell us what was this protest about and what is this bill that Trinamool Congress is trying to bring about?
Well, the Trinamool Congress has placed this bill in the Vidhan Sabha for a change in the excise policy which allows women to work at bars that has been prohibited so far here in West Bengal, and that is something the BJP is now targeting the West Bengal government again, especially in the backdrop of what happened at RG Kar, where the question of women's safety was raised across by the citizens. The BJP Mahila Morcha wing today brought out a protest rally from College Square to the Excise Department office, but of course the police there came in to block that rally, trying to contain the law and order situation, and the BJP leaders were detained, their supporters were also detained. This, of course, the BJP is trying to use against the West Bengal government, which is trying to amend the excise policy, which now allows women to work at bars. Back to you.
Were women in Kolkata not working in bars before this?
Well, there are waitresses, as we say, at pubs, but in the local bars, we don't have women working there late in the night, of course, which places that sell liquor and serve liquor. So now that amendment has come in by the West Bengal government. It's been passed in the last Vidhan Sabha Assembly session, the budget session here. And the BJP, which was absent from the opposition gallery, is now protesting outside the Vidhan Sabha, of course, and in Kolkata to raise the concern of women's safety. And they also raised a pertinent issue, saying that when the RG Kar issue was being raised by the opposition back in the time, Mamata Banerjee had requested women not to work late at night and had asked companies to alter their schedule for women working, especially in the IT sector. Keeping that in mind, the BJP is now saying that at one point the Chief Minister had urged companies to change the timing for women and now is allowing women to work in bars. And of course, that has raised concern amongst the opposition party, and BJP is now targeting the West Bengal government over its recent amendment in this excise policy.
Indeed. Thank you very much for getting us that report, Sreshi.